Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 110 of the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. Always a mouthful. Just wanted to jump on though and say thanks to everybody who has been joining on the live streams. It is a lot of fun to do those in the morning. If you haven't joined yet and you're watching this video, we do live streams on the channel Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45. It'd be great to have you join on. But you know what? Without further ado, let's just get right into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA now. The market is open. It's Thursday when I'm filming this, so the prices you probably will see change as well as the totals on the portfolio. Just keep that in mind as I am filming this. So let's just go through. We'll scroll down. I do have a pending order, but we will get into that. Let's do the total value. So BAM, Brookfield Asset Management. This one's doing good. This is part of that StreamYard challenge. It's doing well. Happy about that. Just a small position in here, adding $25, converting it to $25 US, converting it into Canadian, which is about $33 as of right now, every month on the first, putting it into BAM. So up 13.12%, which is awesome. Up $9.02 on that. Pretty happy about that. BEP.UN, Brookfield Renewables, 18 shares still. This is a position I do want to add to when I have a little bit of extra funds. I will be adding to this position. Down though, 16.36%. $131.79. BN, that is obviously the Brookfield Corp. No longer adding into this. This left over from when I had started that challenge before that split to BAM. But up, doing okay, up 5.78%, $4.18. So happy with that, 1.538 shares. BTCY down. This one is the Bitcoin ETF that does pay a monthly dividend, 193 shares. I do add more into this as the dividends do come back in, and we are down 19.8%, $151.03. CMC not doing good, obviously following the channel. This one, keeping it in there as a lesson, down 94.35%, $175.25, not good. 150 shares, not gonna be selling that. We'll see what happens with this maybe 5 years from now. Maybe break even, hard to say. DIV, Diversified Royalty, and this one's doing well. This was suggested by the Coffee Crew on the live stream, up 8.53%. Happy about that. $25.50 in the green, which is awesome. ETC, 104 shares, is the Evolve cryptocurrency ETF. This one does not pay a dividend. It is holdings of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I will be adding to this one, just not yet. Down 58.67%, $782.59. I've been basically the cryptocurrency allotment that I'm wanting to put in the portfolio, I've been putting into BTCY, so carrying on with BTCY for the time being. Green Lane Renewables down as well. This again, long-term hold, down 53.06%, $679.28. That one's definitely really dragging down the portfolio. PSA, now you'll notice a little bit of difference here. I did sell off 2 shares of PSA today, so that is down. Obviously it's down 0.01. This one just does kind of fluctuate up until the ex-dividend date, $199.85. So it's gone down basically 2 shares, about $100, and I'll let you know what I purchased with that in a very short time here. Our REI, Ryokan Real Estate Investment Trust, just over 6 shares, up 8.21%, $10.81 on the portfolio, which is awesome. RNW not doing well either, down 31.34%, $303.11 on our 56 shares. SOT, this is the Slate Office REIT, still adding to this one, 133 shares, down 11.11%, 11.11. There we go, $73.17. Now TELUS is his all-time down 3.42%. We'll go into TELUS. TELUS hasn't had a good day. Earnings came out today. You can go read those and take with it the information that you know what you get. That's caused the price to come down today, 3.67%. But I did add 3, so I sold off the PSA and purchased 3 shares of TELUS. Price was down, was able to lower my dollar cost, my average cost of TELUS down, which is I think great. Going to be holding this for a long time. And that pending purchase of just over $18, I'm doing a fractional purchase of TELUS as well. It just hasn't gone through yet. So down today, but I think that will hopefully come back in the future as it carries on. The dividend is still, if I read today, the dividend has actually been increased, so that's good as well. Tesla is doing well. This one's doing good on my portfolio, up 27.41%, which is awesome. 29 shares in the TFSA, $123.27. So happy about that. VDY, even though down today, still doing good. This is the one I am dollar cost averaging into weekly by buying a share every week, up 5.99%, $189.76. And VFV, Vanguard, that's the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, and it is up 0.32%. So all good with that one. Just over 35 shares, $10.85 up on the portfolio in the green. And Tesla Yield, the last one. This one is doing great. This is the one I sold my Ryokan shares, portion of my Ryokan shares, and purchased this a while back. It's up 52.9%. Happy about that. It also does pay a monthly dividend yield, and that is good as well. You can check out my community tab over on the channel, and I shared what kind of came in from the Tesla Yield ETF. The dividend was paid day before yesterday, or yesterday. And so 31 shares, up 52.9%, $267.28. Now let's go right to the top, see how the portfolio is doing all together now. And on the day, down, here we go a little bit. Now again, these numbers will change. Down 0.18%, $24.49 today. On the week, we are down 0.53%, $71.66. But on the month, we're going to start to see some green here, which is good. Up on the month, 8.22%, $1,013.08. On the 3 month, up 5.63%, $711.93. And now we're going to see a little bit green, not green, red here at the end here. For the past year, down 7.08%. So we're kind of slowly gaining this back, down $1,000.16. It's changing the number there, $1,016.49. And all-time down 8.38%, or $1,220.03 on the TFSA portfolio. Hey, be sure to let me know down in the comments below how your portfolio is doing. Thanks everybody who has been following along with these portfolio updates. Still going to carry on and doing these. This is the 110th update, which is crazy to believe. If we're almost coming up on the 2-year anniversary of the channel. The channel's anniversary is going to be April 1st. So as of 2023, it'll be 2 years on YouTube. Channel's growing. Lots of new subscribers. I do thank everybody that has been watching, following along, leaving comments, joining on all the live streams, which we've been doing now. We're almost at 100 episodes of live streams. That's awesome. And the channel, it's a lot of fun to do. So hopefully you enjoy these videos. If you've made it this far and aren't subscribed and maybe watching this video for the first time or finding me on YouTube for the first time, I'm trying to grow my TFSA portfolio. Started again almost 2 years ago, trying to grow my portfolio up to $100,000 just with small deposits, dollar cost averaging, and investing along the way. It'd be great to have you join along. Go ahead, you can hit the subscribe button. If you're subscribed, hit the like button. It does help out the channel, gets the video out there and does all that good YouTube stuff. That's all, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.